all, going through. Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. Look who we got back. It's Harry.
Great to be back. Thanks for getting through the show there last night.
Yeah, total blackouts in there. I did great.
I watched it back. It was fine, except for I thought maybe my internet cut out for a little bit.
Nope. That was all picker.
That's awesome. Welcome to Dumb Investing.
It's about to get dumb up in here. On tonight's show, here's what you can expect. We're going to roll random dice. We're going to pick random stocks. We're going to do that 3 times, and we're going to decide which one we're going to invest our hard-earned money in. We are then going to go check out a portfolio that we built just like that by rolling dice and picking stocks and hopefully kicking Wall Street's butt still. We did it for 45 days, and we'll see what happens. Going. Last night's rolls sucked, but we ended up buying a stupid restaurant group that's 20% higher now than they were pre-COVID. What the hell are we even thinking? Golly. All right, let's go roll some dice. Are you ready for this?
Let's roll.
Let's roll them. All right, random.org is where we get a random dice. We roll it. It says 5. We go out here to random stock picker. We click this thing 5 times. 1, 2,
Wait, do you
3,
have your screen shared?
4, 5. Oh, maybe no. That's why it didn't work. I wondered what happened there. Good Lord. Got to retrain me. There we go. All right. How about that?
Yeah.
All right. Roll a dice. We roll a 6. We go to a random stock picker. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times D now. All right. That sounds fun. I wonder what that's going to be. All right. D now is the first one we're going to look at tonight. We do it this way because we don't get paid to sell stocks. We get paid to entertain and have fun. 5. Random stock picker. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know. I saw it. Back. I would have loved some end phase. All right. Our last dice roll. A 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, BFIN. That looks familiar. Why?
I don't know.
I don't either. All right. So the way we do this, Harry, who's a smart guy, goes out to Webull. Webull is our trading platform. If you follow the link down below, you put in $100, you're going to get 2 free stocks. I go out to Yahoo, and we do a very short dive into these companies and try to decide which one is going to be the best choice with our retirement money. So BFIN is Bank Financial Corporation. That sounds like it came out of the movies, doesn't it?
They're pretty small, $50 million.
Is what their revenue?
Yeah. Net income of 9.
So their market cap is 3x revenue? Wow.
So they're a bank holding company for Bank Financial National Association. The bank is a full-service national bank principally engaged in the business of commercial, family, and personal banking. Bank offers its customers a range of loan, deposit, trust, other financial products, blah, 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 blah.
Where are they doing this?
Illinois.
Oh, yeah. 19 full-service locations. Cook, DePage, Lake, and Will County. So that's around the outskirts of Chicago.
Okay.
All right. They have 218 employees.
Very
well,
small.
So here's funny. The last time somebody upgraded or downgraded them was in 2017. So nobody's looking at these guys.
Yeah.
I would say when you look at, the COVID dip, these guys are nowhere near where they were before the COVID dip, but they were heading down. Well, no. That's kind of the COVID dip. That was the banking. I don't know. I would say they've still got some headroom, maybe.
I mean,
that's a pretty rough part of the country, though, right? Chicago.
Yep.
Highly dependent on auto manufacturing on those towns out on the outskirts, right? A lot of manufacturing and stuff goes on around there. Oh, let's see what else we got. VAC. Marriott Vacations Worldwide. Well, I bet they had a pretty ugly dip. Oh, and they bounced back quite readily. So they had a peak that happened around April this year, right before Delta really took
Yeah.
hold. This could be a recovery play.
Yep, definitely.
Are they making any money right now? Nope. Ooh. Good revenue growth, though. Look at that, dude. They doubled their revenue in 2 years from 17 to 19.
Yeah, 2020 down to 2.89 billion. That was off 32%. I mean,
Yeah.
can you blame them, really?
No, I mean, I can't believe they have 1.8 in revenue.
Yeah.
Okay. This could be scary.
Could be the play though.
It could be the play. Yeah. All right, let's go see our last one. DNOW, which is now incorporated. All right, what is now incorporated? Now incorporated. Let's see
Global
here.
Distributor to the oil and gas and industrial markets.
Oh, this is our buy. without even thinking about it. If it's energy, absolutely.
The company operates under Distribution Now and DNOW brands. Segments include the United States, Canada, and international. The company operates approximately 130 locations in the United States, around 40 locations in Canada, and approximately 20 countries internationally.
The only challenge could be here is if they don't have stock in stuff, right? If they let their stocks go real low, then they may have some horrible supply chain problems because everybody's probably trying to get this stuff now.
Yeah, so their net income last year was minus 427 million on 1.62 billion.
Yeah. It's a little scary they lost money in, 17, oil was down, right?
Yeah.
They lost money in 17. 18, they came back, they made just a hair, 52 million, which is the same as they lost in 17. So 17, 18 were a wash. 19, they lost 97. And 20, whew. They need to start making money soon. I wonder how much cash they had in reserve.
So look at the last couple days from September 20th to now. They have just been straight up.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, I kind of like it. Like, I would say it's a higher risk play. And
yeah, totally.
Shorter term play. But
yes,
I think oil is going to be strong for a couple of years at this point, right?
I think so too.
So
now, when you look at their quarterly financials, they've had 3 improving quarters, going from a loss of 44 to a loss of 10 to a loss of 2. That's a pretty good track record. I would say next quarter is probably going to be profitable, right?
Yeah.
Let's do this one. I think energy is a good play for now.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. DNOW it is. We will be buying probably 2 shares of those. Yep. Cool beans.
All right. We will flip over to our positions here. Oh, there's a clicky dog. I forgot to lock the door.
Oh, man, half and half. Look at that. Half red, half green. The markets today, all 3 indices were red, right? Thought that's what I saw. You still there? Uh-oh. What happened?
Yeah, sorry. I just had to close the door. There was a dog trying to break in.
Sorry, I have your screen up, so I didn't know what was happening. I didn't know if my internet cut out or...
No, all good.
Figured I hit the wrong button like last night.
The indices were down today overall. It was kind of a bit of a mixed bag, though. There's lots of stocks obviously were down and lots were up. I guess that's kind of the way that the market goes. But so here we are in our overall positions today. Our biggest loser.
Oh, for real? Are you kidding me?
Was BurgerFi today, down 3.08%. Our second biggest loser was Pebblebrook down 1.13%. And our biggest winners, we've got Ideanomics up 2.7%. And we've got Mag Silver up 2.8%.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
All right. Are we actually above our buy price on that one? Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah. Overall in the account, we made a whopping $2.37 today.
Heck yeah, it's positive. It's half of what we lost yesterday.
And leading the way overall in the positions, we've got On Assignment up 10.53%. We've then got Worry Bank up.
Oh, they moved up a spot.
What's that?
Worry moved up a spot.
Yeah.
Park City was second place yesterday.
Mm-hmm. And then the biggest losers, that nothing has changed here. We've got the Brazil Bull down 17.77% and BurgerFi down 19.41%.
Man, so last night the bulls were next to each other. Look how much that other one moved.
Right.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day for the market.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of fear in the market. Not that we need to talk too much about it, but hopefully things work out okay and straight up from here.
Absolutely. To the moon.
To the moon.
Awesome. All right. Well, portfolio is kind of chugging along. I wish we had more winners and losers, but we're going to say this Q4 is going to be a good quarter, right? Yeah. They're always good quarters. We're going to buy some D now tomorrow. We'll buy 2 shares of that. That'll be fun. We had bought last night DRI. Did you happen to see how it did? How did we buy it?
I did not.
So DRI, I don't know if you saw when I was going through it, but they're expensive restaurants like Eddie V's and the Capitol Grill.
Right. And then the Olive Garden, right?
Yeah, the Olive Garden and Longhorn are kind of like must be their entry level stuff.
Okay.
Or mid, I don't know what they call those.
It was down
0.53%
today.
Oh, Picker, what were you doing? So did you happen to notice on our orders page that last week there were 2 of them that when I put in the electronics, they never clicked off because they both ran. So they're way up there. I did
notice that.
I know. What the heck? Some of those, I have to set up before I go into the office. And so I set them up at what like they closed at the day before. I'm like, that'll be a good price. And then they rock it. And I'm just like, if we had done a market, we would have had them and we probably would have, right when they opened. And we could have ridden that rocket. So I got to learn how to do that a little bit better.
Yeah.
That's
so
all.
I'm looking here today on the GGT that you've got here. It's set at 9:15 and they closed at 9:22. So they're not too far.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Away. And then the other one was the copper one, CopX.
Yes.
CopX, you have it set at 35.50 and it's at 36.58 right now and up another up to $37 in after hours.
Jeez, $1.50 from when we rolled the dice.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Totally.
Man, that one would have been that would have been our rocket, dude. That would be leading the charge right now.
Right.
Picker.
All good.
Well, at least we picked the right one. We just didn't happen to buy it, but we sure picked it.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Couldn't execute, but we got the right one.
We're awesome that way. That's how you do it. You pick the right stocks and you forget to buy them. Yeah. Then you get to watch them rocket. It's awesome.
Totally
so
awesome.
Much fun. All right. Anything else about the portfolio? Or we cool?
I think that's it for tonight.
You going to do any market analyses this week?
We'll see. We'll see how things go and kind of what the what happens with inflation, if there's much to talk about, and we'll go from there.
All right. I'm all out. I'm probably going to be busy these next few days. I don't know that I'll be able to join you, so you may have to run this thing El Solono.
We'll get her figured out.
Awesome. Everybody have a great night. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate every one of you.
All right. Take care.